Good day, everyone. I am Paul Chandi Takmoy, and today we'll be discussing the topic. It's all about the creative literacy. Creative literacy is the ability to generate original ideas, thought, and feelings. So, communicate these ideas through various forms of expression, writing, speaking, visual arts, music, and performance. Components of creative literacy. Number one, imagination. The ability to generate new ideas and think creatively. So, imagination is the foundation of creativity, allowing us to think beyond what is currently known and imagine new possibilities. It enables to generate of novel ideas and concepts can be refined and shared. Second, self-expression, the ability to convey true feelings and experience through creative work. So it's allow individuals to communicate aspects of their identity and emotion that may be difficult to express in other ways. Number three, communication. The ability to effectively convey creative ideas and message to others. So, creative literacy involves the ability to communicate ideas by using different creative outlets. So, whether through writing and visual arts, music, or performance, they communicate a message is central to creative works. Number four, critical thinking, the ability to evaluate and refine creative works. So, critical thinking is in creative literacy refers to evaluating and refining creative works. So, it involves analyzing the strengths and weaknesses of ideas or pieces and determine how they can be improved or adapt. Number five, innovation. So this is the last one, components of creative literacy. So uh, the ability to experiment and try new approaches. So in creative literacy, innovation is the ability to experiment new methods, ideas, or approaches. It exposes the boundaries of what possible, fostering growth in creative fields, so and problem-solving process. So we're done the components of creative literacy. So let's proceed to what is the benefits of the creative literacy. So first, enhance creativity. So according to the definition, develop innovative thinking and problem solving skills. So, to developing creative literacy improves one ability to think outside the box. So, generate innovative ideas and find a solution to the challenges. So, it helps people to view problems for multiple perspectives, leading to more creatives and effective problem solvings. Second, improve self-confidence. So, foster self-expression and self-esteem. So, self-expression through creative means foster to sense of personal accomplishment and validation. So, empower. So it's empower individuals to express their emotion and ideas uh, confidently, which in turn to boost their self-esteem. Number three, benefits of creative literacy is effective communication. Develops ability to convey ideas and message clearly. In effective communication, creative literacy strengthens the ability to convey message clearly and persuasively. So, whether through arts or words or music, creative literacy helps to individual share their perspectives with others in a way that is both engaging and impactful. Number four, critical thinking. Encourage evaluation and refinement of creative works. In critical thinking, you must evaluating and refining creative works requires in critical thinking. Which improve one ability to assess situation and analyze the options and make informed decision. This type of thinking is also encourage reflection, leading to continuous improve in creative outputs. Last, personal growth. Encourage experimentation, risk-taking, and learning from the failures. And creative literacy encourage individual to experiment and with new ideas and take the rest, which can be lead to personal growth. Failure become become becomes part of the learning process, teaching us and adaptability. Moreover, the process of creating arts or any form of expression is deeper understanding on oneself and the world. So my conclusion about the creative literacy is creative literacy is transform the way individuals interact with the world and express themselves. So it's more than just one artistic skills. So it's a versatile competency that empowers people to think creatively in a domain. So whether in the arts, business, education, or technology, by developing creative literacy, individual become better at communicating, solving problems, and fostering personal growth. So creative literacy is no longer seen as a innate talent, but skills can be nurtured, and applied in all areas of life. So it's encourage people to experiment, take rest, and explore new ideas, creating a culture of innovation and self-expression. So thank you.